Hi, this is a short video to turn off Windows 11 lock screen tips and tricks to avoid workday distractions. If you want to turn off Windows 11 lock screen tips and tricks to avoid being distracted during your workday, here is how you can do that. First, you have to head to the settings. Now from there you have to move to the personalization and then click on lock screen. Now you can see that in my case it is selected Windows Spotlight. You have to change it to picture or slideshow because you won't be able to turn off tips and tricks if you choose Windows Spotlight, because Windows Spotlight requires an internet connection to download lock screen images daily and won't allow you to turn off tips and tricks. So first what you have to do is you have to change to picture or slideshow. Then you can see an option here, get fun facts, tips, tricks and more on your lock screen. Just turn off this check button. Now you can select an image from here which you want to see it as a desktop image, or you can browse for the files from your drive. And once that is finished, you can close down this window. And now you will no longer see any tips and tricks on the Windows 11 lock screen. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.